Symmetry is one of the things that can save us a lot of design time in a part. Using the mirror feature in a part allows us to mirror features to add or remove geometry, as well as mirroring solid bodies to allow us to create a more complex part. We can also use the mirror feature in an assembly to save time in having symmetry in an assembly as well. The mirror feature in an assembly can go a little bit further than just mirroring an assembly level feature. After selecting the correct mirror face or plane, we have multiple options when mirroring our components. You can mirror a component about their bounding box, center of mass, or the component origin. You then also have multiple orientation options to choose from. For a subassembly, each component will have their own orientation options as well. Each component gives you a preview of what that model would look like, as well as a pop-up description to explain the orientation option. You can create the opposite hand version of your component as well. For this item, you can choose what the new file name would be, as well as what the part items need to be carried over for the new part. Once you complete the mirror feature, a new file will be created for the opposite hand item, and a copy would be used for all of the other components in the mirror feature. Thank you for joining us for this video.